Hello, I'm Celeste Ordonez,
And I'm Kira Morrison.
and today we'll be making a shade of Mangoberry.
First, you want to get 1/3 cup of mangoes. Then you want to get a 1/4 cup of plain low-fat yogurt. And then you want 1/4 cup of water. And then 1/3 cup of ice. And then with adult supervision, blend all the ingredients. And then once you're done, you're going to want to pour it into a little cup.
Okay, after that you're going to take one strawberry and you're going to cut up 2 pieces to save for the eyes of your smiley face, and with the remainder of that strawberry you're going to place it inside of the blender. Okay. You're going to grab 2 blueberries and cut each in half and set aside for later. You're going to measure out a 1/3 cup of frozen raspberries as well as a 1/4 cup of water and a 1/3 cup of ice, and you're going to blend that up.
And then you are going to pour the raspberries on top of the mango.
And then you're going to place those 2 cut up pieces of strawberry into the smoothie and make a smiley face.